Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kenny. It's a beautiful sunny day here, folks. Down to about 25 above last night, but that's typical Kentucky weather. I want to say this about the recent tornadoes that hit our state and among other states as well. Our hearts and prayers go out to all of the people that was affected by those tornadoes. May God richly bless them and help them to get their lives back. A terrible tragedy. Our hearts and prayers are with those people. So God bless them today. Now my topic here, you've seen this before. I believe it was late last summer how I converted this old barrel into a griddle, and you actually seen it work after I got it completely done. Now, I told you at the beginning of that it was a multi-purpose, not just a griddle, but you could use it for a fire pit. But I'm transferring it also. This is the third thing that you can use it for, and I'm talking about an outside cook stove. Now, I've got future plans to build me a complete outside kitchen to where that I can cook with nothing but this and really save a ton of money, especially when the power goes off. So now I have cut right here. I'm taking this this part right here, which just happens to be where I'm going to put my pipe, my stove pipe. See, I've got that grounded or rounded out. Now I'm going to put my pipe right here. Now I don't know if it'll fit just yet. I may have to do just a tab of rounding the edges off of it, but you get the point. This is going to go up through the roof, and of course over here is the entire part that's going to be fired with wood. Now here I have rounded the top off of this, which I've got to go back over it and get the sharp edges off with my grinder. But this right here is going to be the stovetop. So hang around and let me finalize this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I have got this stovepipe installed. Now, right here, let me point this out to you. This is something that it's a simple stovepipe elbow, so it's not a real collar. I've got to pick me up a real collar and put in it, but it'll work temporarily. And I got a short pipe here, which of course I'm going to extend up through the roof eventually. But right now this will work, and I'm going to show you my next step here is to put fire in it, okay? We've just lit the fire in the stove, and as you can see, it's beginning to burn fairly decent. Now I can put the fire in this by removing the top, this top of course, or I can just use this door right here, this door where my finger is. Now I'm going to put some more wood in. I'm going to get this fire really hot. And what am I going to do? Close the lid right here. Let me show you. Here's your smokestack. Here's your smokestack. I'm going to get it blazing hot so that it will boil water, so you continue to hang around. Let me show you guys. Right here, I'm going to break an egg. Okay. This is cooking on a wood stove. My water's about ready to boil. And of course the smokestack. Now this is going to change, folks, because I'm going to run the pipes, of course, up to the roof. And definitely that will make a huge difference. So let me get my tools here. Here we are. Now this is just a little sample. Just a little sample. Water's almost completely boiling. But I am going to put this thing in motion. Now let me show you right here. Take a look at that. There is your wood-fired, homemade, multi-purpose stove, griddle, fire pit. Now I'm going to cook dinner on this thing tonight. And like I said earlier, we are going to put up a complete entire outdoor kitchen. So you be on the look for that, be on the outlook for that in the future. And let me tell you, this thing is working. And I knew it would work. So like I said, you saw the griddle this past year, but here is the wood burning stove that you don't know anything about. But it's working, and let me tell you, it's just going to get better. And I've got some big plans for this stove. So let me say to you, if you like this, hit that big like button. Would you do that? Now that is a well done egg, let me tell you. It is well done. And this water is really almost ready to boil. So hit that like button, ring that bell, and let me turn this camera around. And I'm going to say to you, while you're doing this, subscribe to the channel. And you have a blessed day.